Episode 3, First Particles and Atoms. Welcome to class. Now we zoom in, far smaller than stars, galaxies, or even atoms, to the building blocks of matter itself. In the earliest fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe was too hot for stable particles to exist. It was a dense, energetic soup of fundamental components. Among those fundamental components were quarks. Think of quarks as the smallest possible Lego pieces. They are so tightly bound by the laws of physics that they almost never exist alone. In that first tiny fraction of a second, as the universe expanded and cooled, quarks snapped together in groups of 3 to form more stable particles. Protons and neutrons, these would become the cores of atoms. Since a single proton is the nucleus of a hydrogen atom, the universe was already mostly hydrogen. Nucleosynthesis, which occurred within the first few minutes, allowed some of those protons and neutrons to fuse into heavier nuclei, especially helium, with tiny amounts of lithium. By the end of this brief window, about 75% of the universe's mass was hydrogen, and most of the rest helium. Even today, hydrogen remains the most common element in the cosmos. It is the base ingredient of the entire cosmic recipe. But the universe was still not filled with atoms. For about 380,000 years, matter existed in a plasma state, a hot, charged mixture, where electrons moved too fast to bind to nuclei. Imagine a crowded dance floor where everyone is moving too quickly to hold hands. That was plasma. As the universe continued to cool and reached about 3000 Kelvin, the motion slowed. Electrons finally combined with nuclei to form neutral atoms. This change was vital. Plasma behaves like a sea of charged particles, constantly interacting, but neutral atoms are quiet. Without electrical chaos dominating the scene, gravity could finally take the lead. Pulling matter together more effectively, plasma became gas. For the first time, stable hydrogen and helium atoms filled the universe. And here's something remarkable. Every glass of water you drink contains hydrogen atoms. That trace back to these first few minutes of cosmic history. The universe now had its basic material, and gravity was ready to shape it. I'll see you in the next lesson.